Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Honda Civic maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the display menu. You'll want to find the Maintenance or Vehicle Information screen. This initial step gets you ready to clear that pesky reminder. Once you're on the correct screen, select the maintenance item. Now, press and hold the Enter or Select button, usually located on your steering wheel, for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding until you see a prompt on the display. This action tells your Civic you're ready to clear the service reminder. After confirming, the maintenance light will typically flash a few times before turning off completely. This indicates a successful reset of your oil life and service interval reminders. Remember, it's crucial to perform all necessary maintenance, like an oil change, before resetting the light. This ensures your vehicle remains in top condition. Keep in mind that some Honda Civic models might have slightly different button combinations or menu layouts. If you encounter any difficulty, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate instructions. Performing regular maintenance is the best way to keep your Civic running smoothly and avoid these reminders in the first place. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.